So now is a big problem, of course, which is number 5, bottle caps, right? So soda cups, juice cups, whatever you have, right? So and that cups is more thicker, right? It's thicker for sure. So you cannot just go with your fork and try to remove. It's not going to work out. Maybe, but it's very dangerous. I would say a person he's not very like good with their hands, they can have their fork in their eyes. Chas v'shalom. So that's dangerous. Okay. So from the beginning, bottle caps that the lift or screw off without breaking any. Bottle caps that lift or screw off without breaking may be removed on Shabbos. So meaning what? Bottle caps or even what is it, jars, right? So some you have this glass jar and you have pickles, whatever you have inside, like doesn't matter. You just like open, there is no problem. So even pops up, it's like the thing, right? The air goes in, there is no problem whatsoever. So the problem is when there is a ring. So when you have soda bottle, right? For example, so you have a ring that is going to stay on the bottle, right? So when you like buy it in the store, it is sealed, and then it's not sealed; it's connected. But then we screw off. So you're going to break off the cap from the ring. That's the issue. So okay. So again, those have a ring seal attached and open on Shabbat easily. Okay. One second. One more time. Those that have a ring seal, right, as we just explained, attached and break off upon opening, may not be open on Shabbos unless it's first puncture, without punching in any words, right? So here, so we have you soda bottle, whatever you have. So you cannot open because you're going to break off the cap from the ring. So what he suggests that you puncture, like take some, I don't know, knife is strong enough or some other tool, like you have to break the cap. You have to like spoil the cap, and then you can open the normal way, right? See the Shabbos kitchen for the further discussion of this rule. So basically, what is the problem? Why we have to go so crazy on Shabbos? I'm going to explain. So the thing is that now when the cap is connected to a ring on a soda bottle, right? It's basically useless. When you break off the cap, or when you tap cup from the ring, so you creating utensils. You like a brand new, like a useful utensil that you now can close the soda bottle. You use it for some other things. So now that's the problem. So they say, when I puncture the hole in this cup, what I'm doing, I'm showing I don't care about the utensil. I'm going to throw out your utensil. As soon as I unscrew, I'm going to throw out. So in this case, I would suggest that what we do in our house, we have different kind of cups, right? Just we save. Be safe, like one of each type. You never know when you're going to need next time, right? Right, and it's like a few times you use it. For example, you like this. What is it? You have a bottle of juice and fell, and and this cup cracked. So you have extra, right? It is forbidden to tear a label from the bottle on Shabbos, even destructively, since it does not enable acquisition of the Shabbos necessity. There's some people that they do not know what to do with themselves, and they start like they sit around the table and they start ripping things, right? They destroy the napkin, napkin that they use, like in many pieces. So that's also a problem. Is it destructive? Yes, it is the destructive, right? It's only destructive, but still, it's a problem. And also, like I advise people, so I told them to change the napkins. on Shabbos, right? Because of course in honor of Shabbos they would buy these beautiful napkins, right? So if there was a pictures like some of the tulips on one of them, or I don't know, some other like beautiful, like you see for sure it's respect of Shabbat. So basically, if you have small kids, right, all of the adults, nobody's going to play with the napkin. There is no problem. So you just use the napkin and throw out. There is no problem. But when you have these people who play with the tire part, so now it's like you lifne iver. What does it lifne iver? What does it mean? You put in stumbling block in front of the blind. You give them napkins with flowers with the butterflies. I don't know, whatever is it. So and this or with some writings, right? So and the person start cheering them, right? So that's the problem. Okay, bottle cap. So just one note. I think Rabbi that's also he said there is no problem with this opening soda cup, right? He said that's disposable. Nobody is going to do anything with them, but that's I think prevalent Sephardic opinion. Ashkenazic opinion go by this one. We're never going to open like this, unless, as we said, puncture. Some people try with the fork. I saw it once many years ago, and the guy, I don't know if he ever hold anything in his hand. So some people are handy. You understand? There is no problem. But when somebody is not handy and he's trying to to use the fork to remove the cup with the ring, I mean it's possible. It's plastic. It's stretching, but it's very dangerous. Boxed drinks, right? Kids like those, right? It is permitted to push straw through the small piece of foil on the top of the box drink, right? So you have this square of the box drink, and there is they come with a straw. The straw is on one like the one that goes in. It's like a pointy, right? A sharp. So you go through this what is it? Metal. What is it? What does it call it? Like a metal top, metal hole, right? It's like a thin foil, and that's it. So there is no problem. Right? It's not considered a problem.